requested updates on my Lifeplus washing machine. I did a video a year ago and here she is. La 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 la. She's still doing great. I mean, literally. She looks like new, doesn't she? I use her like, every day. I haven't done a lot of hot water in here. I think the only difference between this washer and any other washer I've done is that this one doesn't heat the water when you do the wash cycles. Oh, it's not necessarily a bad thing. Not necessarily a bad thing at all, because you know how much energy you use heating that water. So I would suggest, if you're doing house chores, or if you're doing something that requires heating water and you have excess of clean water, put on a load of towels and the things that you would like to wash on 90 degrees Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. Still working on that. That's the only thing that is different, but I love that feature on her. So she's been doing good. I'm happy. She is a good little machine. What do I have to say about her otherwise? Let me think. I think that this washer, Lifeplus from Walmart, it will still get the same review. I'm very happy with this machine. It's small, it does well, have no problems with it, very happy with it. The difference about having a non-hot water machine is that I think it's more friendly for the environment, so I support that. Sometimes I find that maybe if I don't get it clean on the first run, I will still get it clean after the second or third. I love it. Yep. But Walmart, you didn't give me my gift card. What's that about? Huh? Don't like that. But on that note, I have to start my washer. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll try to get back at you as soon as possible. And I will go and ask my hubby what he thinks. So, hubby.
Yes, ma'am.
After 1 year of being married and living together with the washer, the Lifeplus Washer.
Yes.
What is your male comment?
She uses it every day. Sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. That is probably the best washer that for somebody like in our situation that we have found so far. So
yes, from a 1 to 5 star rating.
I would give it a 5-star.
Still after a year?
Yes, after a year, 5-star.
I agree with him. But Walmart gift card, remember?
Yes,
now?
Walmart gift card. She didn't get her gift card.
But you would recommend them to buy this one?
Yes.
There you go, guys. That's all we need. So, yes, I just thought I would show you how I use it, because I use it so often. So I'm starting to, I filled her with stuff. Usually I do the water first, I must admit. And I'm just going to go a short cycle now. So I just go with that. And I prefer to use a cleaning liquid that is as friendly as possible, because we want things to be happy in nature. So things eventually end up there anyway. So I try to use as little soap as possible. It's just my thing. So there you go. And it will be done in 19 minutes. And I do think that it is a nice machine, yes. Maybe the letters on the display could have been a little bit bigger, but you kind of like memorize that, 3 is the quick one, and 4 is soak, and so on and forth. So on and so forth. Yes, so yeah. Yes. And as I'm taking the laundry out, because I'm thinking it's a beautiful day to put it outside. I usually do if it's not a sunny day, hello, if it's not a sunny day, I will do air dry on the machine. And then that makes things very simple. You can just do air dry several times and you'll be good. But as you see, it keeps the colors, yeah? Very good. I kind of just have this technique where I just put them up and then I take them out later. So anyway, so I'm gonna hang this up here on my line, and yes, I'm very happy with the result. A final tip: final tip, when you fill the washer, don't fill it too full. Don't fall for the temptation. Less is more. Then it won't actually get caught on the top. And as long as you just stay on top of things anyway and just pop things in there when you need to, you're good to go. So yay, go Lifeplus.